To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
Hi folks, LICDRHP has finally been filed with Sebi, and here in this video I'm helping you understand the 10 big takeaways from this DRHP that you must know in case you're looking at investing in the upcoming mega and the great Indian LIC IPO. Well, first of all, you should know that this will be India's biggest of all IPOs. LIC has already filed its DRHP, that is the draft red herring prospectus with Sebi now, and the LIC IPO will be coming very, very shortly. Some experts are anticipating that as early as March, we should be seeing the LIC IPO hit the street. Now, the proposed LIC IPO will be biggest of all in India, bigger than the top 5 that we've seen so far, namely Paytm, Coal India, Reliance Power, GIC Reinsurance, and SBI Cards. Now, while the DRHP has not specified the offer size of the IPO, but the government will be looking to sell 31.6 crore shares of LIC, which is equivalent to 5% stake of the company's total equity of around 632 crore shares, and the face value is likely to be at 10 rupees per share. The IPO will be 100% offer for sale by the government, and no fresh issue of shares of LIC will be given this time around in the IPO. The DRHP also does not give any clarity on the reservation or discount for the policy holders. Even though it is not finalized as of now, policy holder reservation, remember, cannot exceed 10%, while the employee reservation also cannot exceed 5%. There is a wide expectation that LIC will be giving some portion away for both policy holders and employees in this upcoming IPO as well. Now, as far as the retail investors are concerned, at least 35% of the offer is reserved for retail investors as per the DRHP. Not more than 50% of the offer shall be allocated on a proportionate basis to the qualified institutional buyers as per the DRHP as well. It may allocate up to 60% of the QIB portion to anchor investors as well. And 1/3 of the anchor investor portion shall actually be reserved for the domestic mutual funds as well. And not less than 15% of the offer shall be available for allocation to the non-institutional bidders as per the DRHP. Now, remember, LIC embedded value as of 30th of September 2021 has been estimated at 5.4 lakh crore rupees. Remember that at the BT Roundtable 2022 event, we did see the government officials talk about and the embed value of LIC IPO of upwards of 5 lakh crore rupees. So you had heard it much before on Business Today itself, and that stands rectified. The embed value stands at 5.4 lakh crores. And remember, the estimate enterprise value, which is actually derived from the embed value for insurance majors, is usually about 3 to 4 times. So it could be multiples of the embed value as well. There is a wide estimate of a 15 lakh crore rupees to a 20 lakh crore rupees of the kind of enterprise valuation that we may be looking at. As far as the background is concerned, you should know that the firm has been providing life insurance in India for more than 65 years. And it is the largest life insurer in India with 64.1% market share in terms of the premiums and 66.2% market share in terms of the new business premiums and a 74.6% market share in terms of the number of the individual policies which are issued. As far as the total AUM or the assets under management are concerned, you should know that it is the largest asset manager in India as of 30th of September 2021, with the AUM comprising of, say, policyholders' investments, the shareholders' investments, and assets held to cover the linked liabilities of about 40 lakh crore rupees as well on a standalone basis, which is more than 3.3 times of the total AUM of all the private insurers in India. So that could actually tell you about the mammoth size that LIC IPO is all about and the LIC business is all about. Remember, like I told you, 66% market share in the new business premiums with 283 million policies out there and 13 lakh agents as of March 31st of 2021. Now, as far as the global ranking is concerned, LIC ranks 5th globally by life insurance gross written premium and 10th globally in terms of the total assets as well. Remember, it has 29 crore policy holders as of now and more than 13 lakh agents as well. So all of these things definitely point out to the fact the mammoth size that LIC IPO is going to be having, and which is why it stands rectified to see that in the month of January alone, we have seen new demat accounts open to the account of say 34 lakh already. There is an anticipation of more accounts being opened in February so that more and more retail investors, first-time investors would want to get a chance of investing in the LIC IPO as well. But whether or not it definitely makes sense to hold LIC as part of your portfolio, well, that's something that you will need to tune into Business Today for all of that, because throughout the day, there'll be massive coverage on LIC. So definitely stay tuned, and many thanks for tuning in for now.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.